According to the National Electrical Code, it is possible for a dishwasher and a garbage disposal to be on the same 15-amp circuit. NEC Article 440.54b states that a dishwasher can be connected to a 15-amp circuit if it has a nameplate rating of 12 amps or less. NEC Article 440.57 states that a garbage disposal can be connected to a 15-amp circuit if it has a nameplate rating of 7 amps or less. The NEC requires a disconnect for major appliances, including dishwashers and garbage disposals as stated in NEC Article 422.31. However, an exception is made for appliances that are permanently connected, also known as hardwired, and are not likely to be disconnected for servicing according to NEC Article 422.31c. In this case, a disconnect is not required. Passing an electrical inspection means that the inspector has verified that the installation meets all applicable code requirements. This includes the requirements for circuit ampacity and disconnect. It is possible to install a dishwasher and garbage disposal on a 15-amp circuit, provided that the nameplate ratings meet the specified limits. Additionally, if the appliances are hardwired, a disconnect may not be required. It is always recommended to consult with a qualified electrician to verify the safety and code compliance of any electrical installation.